a foreclosed house can be a great way to score a deal on a home. But since these bank-owned homes are typically sold as is, it's a good way to gamble your money and possibly lose. So before you make an offer, you should take some steps to protect yourself. Find out how to buy a foreclosed home without getting burned. Number 1, do your homework. Research how long the foreclosure sat vacant, especially if it was unattended during freeze and thaw seasons. Find out if it may have experienced anything that may have caused significant structural damage. Number 2, get the inspector on the line. Hire a home inspector to thoroughly check out the home for problems. Have the inspector estimate how much it will cost to make any repairs. Number 3, add contingencies to your offer. Financing and inspection contingencies allow you to back out cost-free if a problem comes up with your loan or the inspection. Contingencies aren't usually attached to a foreclosure, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Number 4, check out the title. A clean title is especially important for a home whose previous owner is in financial distress. Hire a professional to run a title search and make sure there are no liens on the property. Otherwise, you might find yourself on the hook for the previous owner's back taxes. If you find any problems, you want to carefully weigh whether this home is worth the extra care and expense. Whatever you decide, at least you won't be blindsided.